kay Ate Mandy. Thank you for being a good ate to kay Jada. Lagi ka lang makikinig ka lang mga dad, ate. Happy birthday!
Maraming salamat, Ninang Gladys. Next we have Ninang Agnes.
Hi, Mandy. Happy birthday. Continue to make your mommy and daddy proud and always be a good girl.
Maraming salamat po, Ninang Agnes. Next we have Ninang Gemma.
Happy birthday, Mandy! Lagi kang magpe-pray, ha? Saka, always stay beautiful and happy. Happy birthday, Mandy!
Thank you so much, Ninang Gemma. Next we have Ninang Veronica. Bagay pa rin na yung po kay Ninong Brian and Mama Marco.
Hi, Mandy. Happy birthday. Study hard para mag-achieve mo yung dream mo. Always be a good girl. And God bless you.
Thank you so much, Ninang Veronica. Next we have Ninong Brian.
Hi Mandy, happy birthday. I wish you good health, also good luck sa studies, and of course, sana maabot mo lahat ng dreams mo.
Thank you so much. Ninong Brian, next. Alright, thank you so much. Next we have Mama Marco.
Hello, Ben. Birthday na. Birthday. Pagtakal mo. Super kasama mo na sa ano. Asaw ng namin. Matamat ka namin. Happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you so much. Next we have Ninong Mar.
Happy birthday, man. Wishing you good health, happiness, and success in life. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Ninong Mar. Okay, now yung 7 bills and wishes natin present na kayo dito sa gitna para sa ating picture taking. And of course, mag-oversee na tayo sa ating susunod na rituals, ang ating 7 roses.